Mango sticky rice is a favorite dessert of many, but did you know that it's actually really easy to make? Well, I'm going to show you how. We just need a couple of ingredients, starting with glutinous rice. We're going to need 1 cup of glutinous rice. Wash and rinse the rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Then drain all the liquid and replace it with clean water. Soak the rice for 2 hours. In that time, the rice will absorb some of the liquid and become slightly plump. Drain the water and place the rice in a heatproof bowl. This is an optional step, but I highly recommend not to skip it. Place a few knotted pandan leaves into the bowl with the rice. The steam will release the flavors of the pandan and infuse the rice with this sweet fragrance. Steam on high for 25 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the soaking liquid for the rice. Add 165 ml of coconut milk to a pot along with 80 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and another pandan leaf. Heat gently until the sugar has dissolved and the milk is hot. Once the rice is done, take it out of the steamer and immediately pour the liquid all over the rice. Stir together until the rice takes on a glossy appearance. It won't absorb all the liquid at once, but it will after some time. Cover and let stand for 20 minutes. Then give it a stir and cover again. Set it aside until ready to be used. For the coconut milk sauce, combine 180 ml of coconut milk, salt, and a slurry made out of 1.5 teaspoons of rice flour and 1.5 tablespoons of water. Cook on low heat while stirring constantly until it thickens and coats the back of the spatula. Allow to cool and pour into a sauce bowl for serving. Spoon the sticky rice into a small shallow bowl and compress. Arrange on the rimmed plate. To cut the mango, remove the skin with a peeler. Ideally, use a very ripe orange mango, but unfortunately it wasn't quite the right season, so I couldn't find any. Carefully cut the flesh away from the seed, then slice diagonally into thick pieces. Plate next to the sticky rice and pour the sauce over. Serve with crispy split mung beans or toasted sesame seed. And that's how you make Thai mango sticky rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, watch this one next and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.